They don't teach this stuff in school, but they should. Tips and tricks every homeowner needs. Part 4. Let's get into it. Smoke detectors don't last forever. Most folks don't know it, but they expire after 10 years. Even if it's quiet, it might not work when it matters most. Take it down. Check the date on the back. Older than 10 years? Time to replace it. If you've got battery-only detectors, those aren't up to code. You need hardwired ones. That's the law in Alberta. Hardwired detectors are safer, more reliable, and they link together. Call us. We'll get it done right. You need at least one on every floor, and outside every bedrooms. Sometimes inside too. This isn't just a checklist, it's peace of mind. It's easy, and it could save a life.